Hello guys, welcome to another episode of the Make Money Online series. This is all about personal finance development, and right on this series we talk about legit and confirmed ways to make money online. For the past 5 years, making money online has become one of my hobbies, and I am actively searching for new legit ways to make money online, and it will be good sharing that with you. On this series, we do not talk about get rich quick schemes or pausing schemes, but real ways to earn online. So instead of spending time on Instagram, Facebook, and the likes without making money, on this series we show you proven ways to earn while you spend time online. If you're interested in this, hit the like button and let's get started. On today's episode, we are going to be looking at how to make money through the website called Picoworkers. Picoworkers is a micro job website where you go to do simple tasks for some dollars. I have tried this site and I have confirmed that it is legit. On this video, we are going to talk about how to get started, how much you earn, and how to maximize your earnings. We are also going to talk about how you can withdraw your money. Therefore, stick with me as I take you step by step on how to make money on Picoworkers. The first thing you want to do is to sign up on Picoworkers, and we're going to do that by visiting this link. The link is also in the description below. I would advise you watch this video fully to the end before you start your registration so that you do not miss important tips. So right now I'm going to visit the link right here. So this is Picoworkers, and the next thing you want to do is to hit on sign up since you do not have an account. So I'm going to click on sign up. It is very easy to sign up on Picoworkers. You just have to input your real name right here, your email address, your password. You have to choose a password. Then you confirm your password. You can also select a nickname, which can be anything, and then you make sure, very importantly, to select the country you are currently residing in. So after that, you can come down here and select I am a worker. Anyway, you can also post jobs if you want to become an employer, but you can just select I am a worker, and you can easily switch between worker and employer later in the future inside your account. And you want to click on agree to the terms, and you can also click on the next on this box if you want to, and then you click on sign up. But because I already have an account, I don't have to sign up. I'm just going to log in. So right here I'm going to input my details and log in. This takes me right to my dashboard and takes us to step 3, understanding your office, which is your dashboard. Before we continue to learn about our dashboard, let's get to know how much people actually earn on Picoworkers. So to do that, I'm going to click on the profile right here. You click on your profile and you can click on workers ranking. So on this next page, you can see how much people are actually earning. You can see right here their nicknames. You can see the country, and you can see the success rate of their jobs, and you can see how much they have earned and the tasks they have completed. So you can see this is a serious deal because you can see people earning up to $5,600, $3,000, $2,000. You can see right here $2,000, $2,000. So people are actually making money from Picoworkers, but I wouldn't say this is easy because you have to spend some time online doing this and doing those micro jobs. And I also think it is still better than just spending time on social media without making money. So you can see the list continues, and yeah, people are actually making some good money from Picoworkers. So you too can make this. So the list is very long, and you can also load more to see more people, how much people are making from this platform. And the good thing, you do not have to invest anything to actually make money. You just have to do your tasks. So it's a win-win to me. Now let's go back to our dashboard. So right here, my office is my dashboard, or my dashboard is my office. Okay, so this is where you get to see everything that is going on, and this is where you work. So first thing you want to do is understand what is these buttons, what are they doing. So right here, the tax button. So let's start from the top. The tax, you can see the tax that you have completed, your finished tax, and tax that has been satisfied and you have been paid for, and maybe tax that you have completed but you have not been paid for. And we'll come back to the wallet. we'll come back to the wallet when we talk about how to withdraw your funds. And right here you can see you can switch between an employer and a worker. So it is very easy to do that. And right here you can see different notifications, and you can also check out your profile. You can click on find jobs, but we'll come to that soon. Another important thing you need to understand on your dashboard is this time, 180 seconds right here. So this is the time within which you can submit a task. If you submit a task right now, you need to wait for 180 seconds, which is like 3 hours, before you can submit another task. So the good thing about this is that the more you submit a successful task or an approved task, this time is going to reduce by 10 seconds, and this time has to reduce to 0 before you can withdraw your money. You don't have to be scared about that, because you only need to complete 18 tasks to get this number down to 0. At that point, you do not need to wait before you can complete a new task. Pending simply means the money task you have completed and awaiting approval, and your end means the money that has been approved from the tasks that or the jobs that you have done. So right here you can refer friends and earn while they also earn. The next step is searching for jobs or tasks and getting them done. So let's go to that right away. Once you log into your dashboard, you're already going to see some jobs right here. So you can already see some jobs. You have about 611 results of different micro jobs that you can get into right away. So this is how it is. This is a brief description of the job, and this right here is how many jobs, how many people they want for the job, and how many people they have gotten. So 55 people have done this job out of 200 people they want, and you can see right here the amount in dollars that they are paying for this job. So that is what you see right here. So we can just go through, you can just go down like this and see the list. It is many. You can see different amounts, $0.3, so you can get up to $2. The amount varies. And one other thing you should also look out for is who is eligible to do this task. And I believe only the tasks you are eligible for is what you should do. Like right here you can see this is for starters. So if you are a starter, you should do tasks that are only for starters. Before we look at how to complete one of these jobs, let's take a look at how to increase our chances or how to increase our earnings by tweaking these search terms. So first of all, the job level, you cannot change that. If you are still a starter, you cannot do jobs that are meant for advanced. The higher you go, the more jobs you will get that are paying higher. So jobs for starter are definitely going to pay lower than jobs for advanced and jobs for expert. So you can start small and then you get to jobs that you are paid maybe $5, $2, $3 as the case may be. So we cannot change this right now because this account is also a starter. And then you can as well as change the category depending on what you feel like you want to do. You can change the category and see which of the jobs are paying higher. So there are different categories. Comment on blogs, write honest reviews, write an article. So definitely writing an article should give you more money. So you can see all this right here, and you can just leave it for right now. Everything is automatically selected. It means that we are seeing jobs for all the categories. But if you want to streamline the category, you can select the one you want. But I'm just going to leave it the way it is right now. So you can also see the payment. You can change the price range you want. If you want jobs that are paying between $1 to $2, you select it like this and you click on apply. But for now, I'm still going to leave it through the range. And then you can also select jobs based on location. If you want jobs that are just for Africans, you click on Africa. And if you want jobs that are just for Asians, you click on Asia, just like that. Or you can leave it open just as it is right now. So I'm also going to leave that alone. So right now, let's try to complete a task. Let's try to complete a task. So I'm just going to come down here and see the one I feel I can do easily and show you how to do it. So it is very easy. Let's look for an easy one. So this one, like this, is just simply to download a PDF, download an ebook. Quite easy, but you also have to be careful so that you do not download a virus or visit a website that has a virus. But just be careful. But I think a lot of persons are doing this and they are making money from it, and I think it is relatively safe. Anyway, let's just look at one of these jobs. Let's just look at this one, download PDF. So what you need to do is to click on it, so it takes you to the job page. This is the only page that you have to work on, and right here you can see those who are eligible is worldwide. If it is not worldwide, you will see some certain countries, and you must make sure your country is one of the countries listed out right here before you continue to do the job. But you can see right here it is worldwide, so anybody can submit or can complete this job. And if you have done the job, you can click on submit proof, but we can leave it out there. So but they excluded the country right here, excluded countries Bangladesh, right? But it is not always the case. Just make sure that your country is eligible before you continue to submit the job. Okay, and you can read through, but where you really want to, okay, let me explain this first. You can see right here, hold this job. For example, a job needs 5 people and 4 persons have already completed the job. You might miss the job maybe after completing it, and someone else have already completed that job. To avoid this, you can decide to click on hold this job, and but it is to take a little dollar from you. So you might want to avoid jobs that are almost completed. So the next thing you want to do is very important, is to read and understand what is expected from the worker. So you go through it. What you need to do is first go to this link for this particular job. So you have to copy out the link and visit this page, and then the next thing they said is click on download now. So click start download, and then a group of offers will appear. All you have to do is complete one offer to download the PDF. If you are not transferred, you have to take another offer. So I think this is just like downloading this PDF, but before you download it, you have to maybe watch an offer or complete an offer on this website. So the tasks are different, and you might see different expectation from the employer. So they said number 5 is make sure you have completed offer so that you'll be redirected to the music download page. Then there's a note here, make sure you complete the offer correctly so you can be redirected to the PDF download page. Send me the right answer and I will pay you immediately. If you send me the wrong answer, you will not be paid. So if you go down here also, you will see the required proof that the task was finished, which is also important. The first proof is send me the title of the PDF, and the second proof is send me a screenshot of the first page of the PDF. So if you have completed these tasks, it means that you visited the page and you downloaded the PDF successfully. Then you'll be able to know the title and have a screenshot of the first page. So all you need to do now is to come down here also, still on the same page on Picoworkers. You submit the answers. The first one is you type the title, whatever the title may be of the PDF, and then the next thing you want to do is to upload the screenshot you made of the first page. And once you are done with that, it is simple. You click on submit proof down here. So once you click on submit proof, you are done with this task. So that is it. It is quite simple, and other tasks are quite similar. They follow the same format but maybe different expectation like this. Okay, so that is it for completing the task. Now finally we go to the 5th step, which is how to withdraw your money. So it is quite easy. Once you've made a lot of money, at least a minimum of $5, you can withdraw your money. So to do that, you simply need to go to wallet. So once you come to wallet, you can see right here, you can see your transactions if you've made any transaction before, and we are currently on withdrawals, and all you need to do is to place a withdrawal. So I'll click on request withdrawals. So on this next page, you can see that the time interval we talked about before right here should be 0, and you only need to complete 18 tasks to make that 0, and also your minimum balance should be $5, and then you can place a withdrawal. So what are the payment methods that are eligible? The first one right here you can see is ATM. This is depending on if this is in your country, and Litecoin is also there. PayPal is also there if it is accepted in your country. You can see Uphold and Skrill. So Skrill is very important because most African countries can use Skrill. You just have to sign up on Skrill. If you don't know how to do this, you can just search on YouTube how to sign up on Skrill in Nigeria. So it's very easy, or in Ghana. So you just have to search for that, and you see step by step on how to sign up on Skrill. Skrill is like a platform that holds your money, so you can collect your money with your Skrill account and then send it to your local bank account. So it is that easy. Once you have selected the payment method, you can continue with the steps and then withdraw your money, and that is it. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to try this. Just say interested, I'm trying this out. And one thing to also notice that I'm using the dark theme mode, so you can change the theme mode to light, but I always prefer it like this. Okay, so that is it, guys. You can always use this. I majorly use this platform as an employer, so I give out tasks, I give out jobs to people to do. That is why you can see that I'm not actually earning more on this, because I actually use this platform more as an employer. So it is a very nice platform, and yeah, I pay people a lot on this platform. You can try it out and make some dollars. If you like this series, let me know in the comment section also, and do not forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, because this channel is all about international opportunities as well as personal development. So let's get it rocking. Before you go, watch the next video showing on your screen.